Okay, I wanted to give you an introduction to the next part of the project. In the first part, we created some masses here. And in the second part, we're going to put floors, walls, and roofs on it. And I just want to show you an example of what we're working towards. So I'm going to open up this example file, and you have a copy of this, so you can open it as well. And once I get it open, I'm going to go to my default 3D view, which is on my quick access toolbar. And you are going to see the walls and floors that have been placed on the mass. Now, right now the mass is not shown, but it's actually there. So one of the first things I want to comment on is that you have access to universally turn the masses on and off. Right now, if I go to my Massing and Site tab, there is a toggle here under Conceptual Mass panel that says Show Mass by View Settings, and that means it's going to listen to the visibility graphics whether the masses are on and off. So if I turn on my visibility graphics by typing VV, and I scroll down, you'll see that mass is unchecked. So that means it's not showing the masses. If I hit cancel there, I can still come and go to show mass form and floors, and if I click on that, it will actually turn the masses on regardless of the fact that they are still unchecked in here. So this turns them on for the entire file, and then I can come in and turn them back off. Now when you open and close Revit, it automatically goes to show mass by view settings. So if your masses are not turned on in your visibility graphics, or it's been hidden by element or something like that, then they won't show. So you just need to remember that that option exists for you under Massing and Site in the Conceptual Mass panel. Okay, so we are going to go in and we are going to create walls and floors on the mass. Okay, and then we are going to go in and take a look at how we can update our sheet to represent either masses or the walls for printing. So for example, if I come down to my composition sheet right now, you'll see that it's still showing just the masses, and this is based on a view template that I've set to these particular views. So for example, if I come up and I select all my schematic plans and I right click on them and I go to apply view template, and I pick Plan Schematic and click OK, it actually shows the walls and floors, right, in view and in a section. Okay, now if I come back and select all of them again, I can change them back to the previous setting by applying another view template, which is Plan Schematic Mass. That turns off the walls and turns the masses back on. So you can set these up. And for example, if I come into my 3D above, my 3D view exterior, my S1, 2, and 3, and I right click and go to apply view template, I can go to 3D schematic and I can click OK. And now all of those update to show the walls. I can also pick my section here, right click on it, apply view template, apply template properties, and I can say I want this to be section schematic. Click OK, and now that goes to section schematic, and I can go to east schematic and right click on that and apply template properties, and I can go ahead and change that to elevation schematic. Click OK. Whoops. And that one is way out of scale, so I'm going to undo that. Obviously that one was set incorrectly. So I tell you what you can do is you can actually go in and you can set it to section schematic. So I'm just going to right click and I'm going to go to apply template properties and I'm going to set it to the section schematic, which should be just fine. So now it's showing the walls. Alright, so once we've done that, we will also take a look at how these schedules are being generated, and we'll create a couple of schedules. We have a floor schedule, a wall schedule, and a wall material takeoff that we'll take a look at. And then we'll update the masses and update the walls and floors to face. So we'll do a few different things during this next part. Okay.